I think the County Surveyors have a really important part to play here in the traditional sense, because if the QSs are really vetting the design material coming out, and I don't mean in terms of buildability, or that's not their role, but in terms of the information, because if they're using that information to prepare or produce their cost plans and bills of quantities, they'll have already qualified whether the information is usable and functional for them to quantify, because the contractor uses it in the same way effectively. And what we've noticed is when we're in that workflow with them, the contractor has a much better experience when they receive the design information, the models, the drawings, the spec, because it's been qualified in a way that's not design related. It's nothing to do with design, it's got to do with information. And can we understand it? And I think that's a big role for the QSs. It's one of the reasons maybe they haven't started to get into that, because they're looking then at, well, we need to know Revit, and we need to know, you don't need to know any of that stuff. You free viewers, it's information. You need to know process, understand the process. Whatever tool you have, whether it's a Costex for calculation that you use or whatever, that'll feed into your process.